Hello guys, what is up? I'm back with another video and I'm talking about the Mbot. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every single time I post. And smash that like button if you like my videos. And comment down below on what I should do next and what you'd like to improve in my videos. So let's get into it. So, what is Mbot? Mbot is an economical robot integrated with MCore. What is MCore? MCore is a main board with the Arduino open source platform. You can install the Mbot app, which allows you to program the Mbot. There is no soldering required for installation of the Mbot. The Mbot comes with clear instructions and might hardly take 10 minutes to install it. The Mbot app in Windows or macOS and the Mbot app only in iPad. You can wirelessly connect using a 2.4G wireless receiver or using Viva Bluetooth. It weighs 500 grams. So there are two versions. One is the Bluetooth version and another is a 2.4G wireless receiver version. The kit comes with MCore, Mi ultrasonic sensor, right side motor and left side motor, Mi line follower, a Bluetooth module, a screwdriver, RJ25 cable, USB cable, chassis, MCore case, Mbot lithium-ion battery cell, a battery holder, wheels, mini cast wheel, and Velcro for securely placing items. Now I will show you a sample of an Mbot program and how to do an Mbot program in macOS. So let's get into it. Download and install the Mbot app. Open it. Go over to your Mbot and connect it using the USB cable included. Turn your Mbot on. Go over to connect serial ports and choose the last one. You will be hearing a beep from your Mbot. Again, go over to connect and choose upgrade firmware. Let it upgrade. I'm doing a simple program, obstacle avoidance, whereas the ultrasonic sensor senses an object and lights up red. Then go backwards. Then repeat it. Now let's upload the code to the Arduino. The graphical programming which we have done is converted to C++ and uploaded to the Arduino present in the Mbot. That was very fun. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And always remember, education is like a lantern in a dark room. And peace.